How do you make sure your content actually helps you achieve your business goals? At the end of the day, you don't want to be sitting there saying, I built all this powerful content and I've gained an audience, but it's not helping me achieve my business goals. Identifying your goals is step 1 of the 8-step content marketing strategy kit by Contenter, designed by me, Gregory Bish. I'm an award-winning content marketing strategist and founder of Contenter. Okay, let's take a look at the PDF instructions that come with the kit. If you don't have the kit yet, you can find it free at contenter.ca. Just visit there and sign up. So step 1, identify your goals. What's the first thing you need to do? Consider how content marketing helps your business plan. It's essential to first understand how you want your content marketing strategy to support your overall business plan. All right, let's take a look. I filled out an example for an artificial B2B SaaS platform called Runweller Workflow Systems. Let's look at their top 3 business objectives for this year: to expand into Western Canadian mid-market, grow revenue from existing customers by increasing adoption of additional modules or features, and improve retention by ensuring new customers fully understand how to use the product effectively. Where could content have the most impact? Content can introduce the brand in new regions, demonstrate the full value of lesser used features, and help new customers onboard more smoothly so they stay longer. Okay, let's look at the next step for Runweller, which is to clearly identify the business challenges content can help solve. Runweller listed under brand and awareness, low brand recognition in our target market, weak brand positioning compared to competitors, under sales and revenue, lack of qualified leads, and poor customer retention, high churn rate. And then under customer education and trust, prospects don't understand our product or service, and lack of social proof, such as case studies, testimonials, and user-generated content. Okay, the third thing Runweller has to look at, it has to answer, what are your top 3 challenges? So out of all of the work you've done on this step so far, identify the top 3 challenges you want to address through your content. Runweller has put low awareness in new geographic markets. Existing customers are not fully adopting or using key features, leading to lower expansion revenue. And customers are churning after onboarding because the value is not clearly experienced early enough. Now, the next step in the content kit is to identify your audience, so you make sure that you're talking and directing your content to the right people. I'll talk to you soon.